Nature has a wild sense of humor. From a smiling salamander that never grows up, to an octopus that looks like it belongs in a Pixar movie, to a sea cucumber with legs. Today we're diving deep into the weird, wonderful world of three of the most bizarre creatures you've probably never heard of. The axolotl, the Dumbo octopus, and the sea pig. Meet the axolotl, also known as the Mexican walking fish, though it's actually not a fish at all. It's an amphibian, a relative of the salamander family, and it's famous for one thing: it never grows up. Unlike other amphibians, axolotls keep their baby features forever. Scientists call this neoteny, and it's what gives them those adorable gills and that permanent smile. But here's where it gets really cool. Axolotls can regenerate almost any body part. Limbs, spinal cord, heart tissue, even parts of their brain. That's why researchers around the world study them for clues about human healing and regeneration. Sadly, this little miracle is critically endangered in the wild. But thanks to conservation and labs keeping them safe, the axolotl's smile isn't fading anytime soon. Next up, meet the Dumbo Octopus, named after Disney's Dumbo because of its ear-like fins that flap as it swims. Isn't it adorable? This tiny octopus lives way down in the deep sea, sometimes as deep as 13,000 feet below the surface, where no sunlight ever reaches. To survive in such darkness, Dumbo octopuses have soft, gelatinous bodies, and they hover gracefully, using those ears to steer. Unlike most of their cousins, they don't squirt ink. There's no need for that down here. They eat tiny creatures drifting by, and their calm floating dance makes them one of the cutest deep-sea residents ever filmed. Proof that even the deep ocean has its soft side. Now for our final guest, the sea pig. And no, it's not a pig. Or even close. It's actually a type of sea cucumber, a squishy creature that walks along the ocean floor using tiny tube-like legs. They might look funny, but these little blobs play a big role. They clean up the ocean floor by eating decaying plants and animals. Basically, they're the deep sea's janitors. Sea pigs can live more than 3 miles deep in freezing, high-pressure waters. And sometimes, hundreds gather together in massive herds. An adorable parade of pink blobs marching through the darkness. They might not win a beauty contest, but they're proof that even the ocean's strangest creatures have an important job to do. So, which of these weird wonders stole your heart? The smiling axolotl, the flying Dumbo octopus, or the marching sea pig? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wild animal stories from the planet's weirdest corners. Because in nature, the stranger it gets, the better it gets.